Hey everybody, what's up? So in this video I'll be teaching you to achieve this very pretty glistening glossy glass skin makeup look. I can wear this every single day. So let's do this from the scratch. First you moisturize your skin, and the moisturizer that I am using in here is by Clinique. It's their Moisture Surge Intense. You just require a pea-size amount to cover the entire face, and don't overdo that. And second thing is my favorite pore minimizing primer. It's by Smashbox. Now this one does what it says, and all the claims, whatever it claims to do, are true. So this product is worth every single penny that you pay for that. And guys, also make sure that you have your lip balm or your chapstick on your lips, so that by the time we are done with the face makeup, we are ready for the lips, and lips are ready for the makeup. Now such sort of makeup looks are all about layering the right kind of products in the right kind of order. The foundation that I'm going in with is by Clinique. It's their Even Better Glow, and I'm in the shade Stone. Now I've chosen this foundation in particular because this one is not at all HD. It gives medium coverage, and this one is quite dewy, as you can see it for yourself. Now this one has given me dewy coverage on the very first instance when I applied it. Now I have some foundation on my hair and I didn't notice it in the first place. Poor me. Anyways, let's just ignore. We both didn't see that coming, right? Or maybe you did. Now here I want to tell you about a foundation hack. Whenever you are using the sponge, you know that there are two ways of using it. Either just like that or damp. When you use the dry sponge, you know that it's going to give you the better coverage compared to when it is wet. And when you use the wet sponge, it increases in the size. Its pores also increase the size, so it absorbs more product, but it gives you sheer coverage. That is what we are going in with today. And the concealer that I'm using right now is by Maybelline. It's their Age Divine Concealer. The concealer matches my skin perfectly. Using a concealer that is a close match to your skin will take care of any sort of color correction. Also, if you want to do the natural look, you make sure that you're going in with off makeup. So this is one hack that cuts down using any sort of color correction. So I just spotted I had the foundation in my hair. Well, and as we are talking about this hack, I also want to mention the quite opposite of that. If you use the brightening concealer and you do not do the color correction underneath of that, it'll look gray after some time. Once you're done with the concealer, now is the time to mattify everything down, so that not really mattify. I am making sure that I go in with the translucent powder to set my under eye concealer so that it doesn't move. So I'm using the translucent powder in the less quantity, and I'm not actually baking the entire face because it'll mattify everything down, and I don't want that. Now makeup only looks natural and put together when it doesn't move throughout the day, hence setting it with the translucent powder is an important step. Now is the time for this tint to be in the action. This is Cha-Cha Tint by Benefit. It's coral, it looks very pretty, and it will add to the warmth. And this is what I am trying to achieve in this look today. Draw a line on your cheeks and blend it very fast because this one stains. Don't give it the time and privilege to sit there, relax, and stain your cheeks. Here your mama got her fingers running to avoid the stain. So this is my favorite tint out of them all, and just because it gives a very pretty warmth and very pretty flush like effect to your skin. Do you see that? Do you see that? I am being distracted by this pretty thing while recording. End of the story. Everybody needs to own it, and I am placing the leftover on my chin to balance the entire look. And next thing, I am using the very same Benefit tint as my transition crease shade. Yes, you can do that. You don't have to dip your fingers in the 3 different palettes for your eyes, cheeks and lips. Go in all 3 things with this Cha-Cha tint, and it'll take care of every single thing, and the entire look will look put together and monochromatic. Always make sure when you are going with such sort of nude, glossy makeup looks, you go in with the warm shades because it adds to the beauty to it. And guys, why don't you get in my closet by hitting the subscribe button and also pressing the bell icon so that you never miss out on anything that I post. And guys, I am from India. I am Punjabi by ethnicity. I live in Punjab. And where are you from? Do let me know in the comment section below. Next, your mama is going in with the HOOLA bronzer. Don't overdo the bronzer. Do not let it snatch the attention. Make a 3 across your face and it will take care of everything, and make sure this one is blended and you do not overdo that. I repeat it again. I'll come for your life if you do such sort of a look and your bronzer is saying hello to everybody. Like, Heya, how are ya? Like Jeffrey. And keep on blending, blending and blending. Next in is the time for my favorite illuminator highlighter, whatever you want to call it. It is by MAC. It's in the shade Soft and Gentle. It is a very pretty champagne highlighter, and the one good thing about this highlighter is no matter how hard you go in with this one gives you the glow from within kind of finish, which I absolutely love. This one is perfect for everyday wear and everybody should own this one as well. Next in, I'm going in with the Cha-Cha tint over my entire lips, and then I top it on with a gloss. Good morning, you can use this one this way as well. Then I'm putting the very same Soft and Gentle highlighter over my eyelids so that it gives you this melted look. You're not gonna see the reflective particles of it in this light, but in the real life, if you do that, it'll look amazing, guys. And immediately after this, I am going in with my favorite drugstore mascara at this moment. This is Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, and for the underneath lashes, for the lashes underneath, you go in with this motion with this mascara because there is product at the tip. Now to seal the entire makeup in one place, I am using this Dewy Photo Focus Finishing Primer by Wet n Wild. It gives a glossy finish to the entire thing that you do, so it adds to whatever you have done. So this finishes the final makeup look, and you can see from the different angles how it looks on me right now. Your mama is signing off for now, and make sure that you hit the bell icon, subscribe for the more video updates that I'll be posting in the upcoming days. Until the time, you guys take care and keep on blending everything. Okay.